Hey babes, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, welcome. Y'all, this is going to be one of my quickest videos ever, so I'm actually not able to do as much talking. This is going to be pretty self-explanatory. As you can see, I will be installing this no leave out V-part wig by Nadula. It is in their texture Jerry Curly. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and enjoy the video. To create a more seamless look, I'm going to use my finger and just make it a little frizzy near my part. Y'all, this wig, this came out super cute. Originally, I planned to, put product on it and wet it and add the mousse, but it's so soft and the curls are already like really defined. This texture isn't super kinky and coarse where you would need to do that necessarily. But I do recommend that you use a wide tooth comb. That way you still have that definition, but it's still big at the same time, if I'm explaining that pretty good. So if you use something where they have more like smaller bristles like the paddle brush, this is going to make this really big and poofy, and then you're going to have to calm it down with some type of product or water. But as you can see, we still have all of the definition, and all I did was simply comb through it to make it bigger but still defined. This, yes ma'am. No leave out, super protective, no tension, no heat. This is great for my natural girls who also want to wear extensions, may not want to wear straight hair or any other texture, but they still want to, pop. This is so cute. Ugh, I feel so good. It don't look like a wig at all because I still have my edges right here slit, and I brought that back just a little bit. And the yellow top with the pink light, the gray walls. Y'all, this is it. Ooh, big hair is just where it's at. Cannot go wrong with the big and curly. This can be good for anything, honestly, y'all. At the grocery store, out on a date, girls' night, some time to yourself, especially vacation, because just think about it. Say you're getting in the water and messed up your hair, or you just want to, you don't want to have to deal with all that. You could just go in completely natural, and then when y'all go out or something, you could just go ahead and wash your hair, pull it back, or give yourself a few braids like I did, and put this wig on, and now you've got a whole new style. Look at how realistic, look at that. No leave out. All right, babes, that is all for today's video. Y'all saw me install this quick 5-minute, and I'm telling you, this is 5 minutes, okay? This is a whole 5-minute sew-in, quick weave look, no leave out, super protective. There's no additional heat or anything like that on my head. I didn't even blow dry my hair this time. I actually let it air dry. As you saw in the beginning, I had some twists that I did at home after I washed and conditioned my hair. Added some hair milk to my hair and just let it just be and breathe a little bit, you know? And now we have this look right here. This is just too cute. I hope y'all enjoyed today's video. Be sure to give it a thumbs up, comment below, also subscribe so that you don't miss any of my other videos that are coming. Follow me on Instagram at _TatiTV. Oh yeah, TikTok too, _TatiTV. All the information on this hair is in the description below. I highly suggest you check it out because, baby, this is going in my collection because it's giving natural leave out. I love this so much. This is my first time having a V-part wig where it's a no leave out look, and yeah, this is it. Thank you to Nadula for sponsoring this video and hooking me up with this wig because I will be wearing this thing until the wheels fall off. All right, babes, I'll see you in my next video.